Welcome back to the Cowboys Customs YouTube channel. Today I'm joined by Mr. Garrett Yarborough. He started a couple weeks ago with us rather. Tell us about yourself. What got you into trucks? How long you been tinkering on stuff?
So I've been tinkering on stuff for a few years now. I have a current build right now. Y'all go follow me on Instagram at middlechild_LLY.
It's on the
if
screen.
you want to see that stuff. But you know, been doing some solid axle stuff on that side. You know, a lot of the big stuff with these guys here at Cowboys Customs. We got a few plans right now for some giveaways and stuff, and yeah.
If you want somebody that knows trucks, this is your guy. Just like all the other people here, but him too. Anyways, today it is cold and cloudy. It is starting to turn into Texas winter, and I hate it. But we're gonna make it a little bit brighter with the new giveaway announcement. Before we get to that, we offered some t-shirt giveaways to people on TikTok and Instagram last time. So those winners are on Instagram _Lionheart35_ and Rayrod_16. Shout out to you guys. Thanks for tagging some people. Man. Winning some shirts. I'll reach out and get some shirt sizes. On TikTok, we got that's pretty good timing. On TikTok, we got Sinister_66 and Braden_Mooney. Thank you guys a ton for participating. And we will be doing a similar thing. Oh, dude, I got rust everywhere. Uh-oh. We're gonna have brown butts. So to launch this giveaway, we're gonna be doing one shirt on Instagram and TikTok for the same thing. Tag a friend, enter to win a shirt. And this giveaway that you're tagging friends for is we're stepping it up. Instead of $2,222, we're doing $3,333. So going up $1,000, $1,111 actually. So stepping it up, increasing the amount. The last winner is coming to the shop in like 4 days to pick up his wheels that he picked out with his earnings. We got tires on the way too. So if you don't believe us, here's partial proof.
Shout out to David Hamden with the Jeep, the Hempy's Jeep.
The Hempy's Jeep. Oh, she rubs.
You do cutting too?
Yeah. We will cut your fenders at no extra charge.
Yeah, absolutely. I'll get out there with a grinder.
Anyways, it's $3,333. The link is in the description. It literally costs nothing to enter. But if you do come by this time, we added a feature where if you do come by, whether you buy a keychain or a full set of wheels and tires, you get extra points for coming by the shop or hitting us up and having us ship you parts. Whatever it is, you do benefit from spending money, but it definitely does not require you to spend money. And secret codes are still a huge part of this giveaway. There will be 10 secret codes scattered throughout the next couple of months as this giveaway goes on to earn you big points. And we also added secret points that will be dropped on social medias, whether it's Instagram, TikTok, and on Discord. So we added a bunch of new ways for you to earn points. So keeping up with us benefits you.
Yeah, keep connecting with us, and for all you winners out there, you know, we'll set you guys up and work with you guys to make sure you leave here absolutely satisfied.
Yep, I think that's all we got.
Sweet.
Stay tuned. Check out what our boss bought for the shop projects, because he bought another project. And it kind of is hinted in this video, but the next video will be all about that project. So anyways, hit up Garrett, hit up any of us, give us a call. We'll get you sorted. Click on the link, enter to win. Go tag a friend on Instagram and TikTok. Get you some shirts. Is this 2022? 2021 Ram 1500. We've got a 6-inch Vertex rough country kit, 22x12 extreme forged wheels, and I think they're the XF008s. It's like the model number technically. What 35, 12 and a half, 22, but I don't remember what tire we did. Do you remember?
I think it's Venom.
Is it a Venom?
Yeah.
We'll check. We're at a stoplight. No cars coming. No, Nitto.
Oh, Nitto?
Recon grapplers. 35, 1250, 22 is the technical size. You guys know we're big fans of these rough country Vertex coilover setups, because over bumps, it's like being in an old Lincoln. It just glides.
Yeah.
So the 6-inch rough country Vertex coilover kit for this year make and model runs about 3,200, I think. Let me double check. It's 3,000 or 3,200. It's on the screen because my memory sucks. But these Vertex coilovers, we've done a bunch of them. This is definitely like the nicest ride for the price you can get. Man, this thing, it looks great. This truck might be top 3 dailyable truck that we've ever done for me. Like, if I could pick any truck that we've done before and I had to daily it every day.
Yeah, the ride is smooth.
Yeah, I think this would be it. The wheels look sweet. This is a smaller brand for the forged setup, so if you're really looking for that shine, Extreme Forged is a good price point and get you that nice polished aluminum look. The Nittos are a tried and true brand. Great on-road, great off-road. If you're going for a little bit less highway noise, you can get the Recon grapplers if you can find them. This is a Laramie, so it's got the Tesla screen, as I like to call it. Overall, just beautiful truck. Perfect suspension choice for a daily. For those of you that don't know, Jose has been working with us since
March?
Did you start before me?
Yeah, like a month.
Okay. Yeah, so it'd be about March. He actually just wrapped up the Kelderman lift, or I'm sorry, not the Kelderman, the Wicked lift that went to SEMA for Trace's truck. He didn't put a single scratch on that thing. He's been killing it. If you're looking for like the perfect daily, even if it's a truck that's not this modern, dishing out the extra cash, I think it's like an extra 1,000 to 1,200 for the front and the rear, over just a 6-inch lift from rough country. Sounds steep, but I really think that the ride quality you get from the upgrade is well worth it. The fact that you get adjustability in the dampening and the feel of the suspension is huge. But yeah, that's the 2021 6-inch rough country Vertex lift on this. I didn't do those numbers right, but you know what I'm saying. See, my English sucks too.
Well, sell it?
I don't know. Where was it? It just closed. What's today? The 1st, right?
Yeah.
You can't talk about that, son.
It just closed. JCWC 5IM. Alright, I gotta warn you because it looks rough, but it's not, apparently.
Don't give them any details about. Just show them the exterior.
Oh yeah, you were showing me that.
I showed you to you on Thanksgiving, right? I want it, so I got it. And this is the cool thing. So when you Google this,
No, don't do it. Just wait. I want the reaction.
Well, I know. I seen you showed me.
I think I showed him.
What do you wiener hole?
I showed him.
What's a wiener hole?
You know what? You don't have a wiener hole.
No one says that.
Bro, I really want to show.
You just did. I just did.
I want to show Garrett. Or should we just wait for Garrett's reaction?
Yes. You're ruining.
Bro, I can't.
ruining
Like,
the
I'm
content.
literally willing to drive 2.5 hours just to see it today,
You're
and then go back
making
tomorrow.
my job harder.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
This
but
isn't, bro, on your job.
Look,
he just
You
made
got
a
that?
purchase.
I got this with this fucking engine, bro. It has everything. It's all been redone. Look at the interior.
Oh yeah, it's clean.
How much you want for it?
Me?
Yeah.
I don't know, bro. 25 maybe?
You take payments?
No, hell no.
That's
Look,
fine.
it has
Look, he just don't want to check for 25 weeks.
Bro. I would so buy that shit for my dad.
Oh god, it does look.
You know, my dad had that when he was.
It looks a little rough,
Oh,
right?
no.
I bought
Yeah,
it.
the pictures
So
are
listen, I
rough.
bought
Yeah,
it
but
blind.
if it's been sitting
I never
in the
seen this car in
sun,
person.
too.
Anybody want to take bets on how much I bought it for?
Wait, what do we win if we
45.
get it right?
45.
45 what?
100.
I wish, bro.
Less or more?
5.
Okay.
Wait, hold on. What's on the line? What's on the line?
Yeah, let's hear what's
Ice
on
cream?
the line.
Ice cream and a Dr. Pepper.
Lunch on Saturday.
Okay.
What do you think?
Deal,
How much do
I'm
you think
in.
I bought it for?
What do you need a calculator for?
He's just writing out boobies on the calculator.
Wait, what
17.
17, 13.
17
What'd you say?
1,000?
Hold on.
No, y'all are
I gotta
crazy.
guess. Wait, hold on. I didn't hear what he said for the record. What'd you say?
I said 4,500, but
Oh no! Here, wait. But it was an auction. Like
I'm gonna go with 8 racks.
8.
8.
What'd you say?
8. I said 8.
You gotta You gotta go
Okay.
7,999 or 8,001.
I don't even know. That's the thing, bro.
Over under.
I'm sticking with 13.5 for everyone.
So you're at 13. You're at 8.
801.
750.
You're at 7,500.
Yeah.
7,500. 8,000.
I'll do-
13.
I'll go lowest, so I'll say like 74,99.
Damn. So who was closest? 8 was closest.
So 9
Dang.
or 10.
No, I got it for 10.
10. Appreciate it, boss.
But look, the reason why I honestly paid up to 10 is because it sold
What's the motor though?
5.7.
Okay.
So listen, it sold in 2016 for 14,500. Okay, and it was sitting for 2 years, so they really only drove it for 2 years. If they drove it, I mean, who knows? But they obviously did. They put the Falcon on
Well, if he
this.
got arrested, he was probably speeding or something.
No, it was seized. Like it was either like maybe tax evasion. I mean, it could have been multiple.
Or he's just in jail and couldn't pay,
Or is
Or
it
that.
make payments.
Could be a shop.
No, he got arrested and seized.
Oh, okay. I get you.
He's
No,
a drug dealer.
100%. Yeah, I mean, it could have been.
I don't know where the hell that was taken.
But I'm so freaking excited, bro. I want to go get it like right now.
He's so excited. He just ruined this whole
I have to,
surprise.
bro.
It's a
Bro.
massive burnout down there.
Bro. I already ordered my leather jacket.
This fool.
You gonna
I
get
did.
it repainted?
Hell yeah.
Like
You gonna do it natural like
So
that?
look, so I've been really like torn if I want to keep it black, but check this out.
You gonna do the Firebird on it?
Hell yeah.
That's what I'm trying to get
Now
from
you
my
need a
dad.
bullet.
Bro, we're gonna do one hell of a commercial with Del Tucache on this.
Oh, heck yeah, we are.
I'm driving this everywhere, bro. This is it. Like I'm driving this, and it's already like done. So all it needs is a paint job, detail the interior.
You hope.
I'm pretty sure. Bro, I freaking love this thing.
Dude, I just bought a $70 wing.
You
on
gotta put the
Amazon
brothers
for that
in.
thing.
Did you really?
There's some badass window louvers too that I found, but I don't know how.
The brothers.
I don't know. Ooh, so yeah,
That is so.
that's been my hype. I just like I literally can't sleep over this. Like bro, I've been literally going to Google and just trying to find. What do you think so? I don't know.
Like a
what I wanna
Nardo
do.
or like gloss?
Oh, that'd be clean.
James, let's go right now.
Get out of here. We don't need to.
I got